This is the purple sprouting broccoli I talked about and showed several days ago. And the important thing for you to know is that even if something starts bolting, as this one has done, there's still lots of good yummies available. Flowers are edible. These are sweet, tender stalks to just eat raw. You could steam them, but just eat them raw. Look at those flower pods. They're really nice. You can add the flowers to a salad, or you can just eat them off the stalk like this. It's awesome. And remember the little side leaves too. Tender, yummy.